our free craft class that's taught by Ward 7 and 8 small business owners. So we're getting ready to do the soap making class.
In the heart of Chocolate City, where the rhythm's alive, Jessica, our creative director, brings the vibe at Anacostia Arts Center, where dreams take their flight. Black girl magic in the soap making light. Gather round, feel the beat, let's start this show. From Howard University to Anacostia's flow, with ingredients in hand and passion in our eyes, we're about to embark on a colorful rise. Come through, join the crew, let's make some soap with Jessica's flair and Black Girl Magic's hope. Rylinda's guiding hand in the hip-hop groove. In the world so hot, we're about to move. First step, gather round, let the creativity flow. Pick your soul base, let your imagination grow. Melt it down smooth like a beat in the street. In the melting pot of our stories meet. Add color, it's next, like the hues of the dawn. Mix it up, let your colors be drawn. From vibrant reds to calming blues, and Anacostia's palette will never lose. Come through, join the crew, let's make some soap with Jessica's flair and Black Girl Magic's hope. Rylinda's guiding hand in the hip-hop groove. In the world of soap art, we're about to move. Now it's time for fragrance to tantalize the air, with sense of joy and dreams beyond compare. Essential oils and fragrance, the choice is yours. In the symphony of soap, let your spirit soar. Incorporate the additives for that extra flair. From exfoliants to moisturizers, show you care. Mix it all together with love and grace. And Anacostia's embrace, find your place. Pour into the molds, let your creations take flow like sculptors of dreams sustain. Using soap making as therapy to make our spirits swell. In the aroma of lavender or the zest of lime, she teaches us to soothe in this creative time. So here's to Rylinda, teaching us a better way, using soap and scents to brighten up our day. In the heart of Anacostia, where dreams begin to play, learn emotional intelligence in a peaceful array.
And they are so beautiful. They are beautiful. Anacostia Arts Center, Anacostia River Festival, Ward 8. Yay!